Hello, my name is Eduardo Barroso and I'm going to help you guys install the NumCosmo library. This tutorial is for beginners, so you can just copy and paste all the comments that I'm using here and if there's any need to change the comment before copying and pasting it, I'm gonna let you guys know. First, to copy something from the terminal, use Ctrl-Shift-C, and to paste it, use the right button of your mouse. So first, please open the terminal of the Ubuntu machine. This tutorial is to install the NumCosmo library in a new Linux system or in a new Windows subsystem for Linux. So first, we're gonna run the apt-get update command. And then we are going to install the sudo command, which we will need to use when we must have root privilege. So after installing the sudo command, we're gonna run the apt-get update again just in case, and then we are going to install all the packages that are needed for the NumCosmo library and for your Linux system as well. Since this tutorial is for a fresh new Linux system, I'm going to install all you need to use the NumCosmo library and some basic tools for your computer. If you already have the Python package installed, please check if it is also the Python 3 package. If it is not, please do not install the Python 3 package before removing the first Python package that you already have. So you're gonna run this command here with all the package needed and press enter, and then you're gonna press Y for yes. This may take a while to download and install all the packages, so I'm going to fast forward to the end. Now that we have all the packages, we need to set an SSH key in our computer. So the first command here is one that you need to change. So here under your email, you're gonna replace for your own email. For your GitHub account, for those who do not have a GitHub account, please create one under github.com and then use the same email here. When you press enter, there is a message asking if you want to change the directory of the file. Please do not change it. Just press enter again. The same thing for the password. You do not need to use a password for that. Just press enter. And now you're gonna run these other commands here. And now that we have added an SSH key to our computer, we need to take this key using this command here, cat, and then we're gonna copy and paste it in the GitHub website. So remember to copy here, you're gonna press Ctrl-Shift-C, and then we go to the GitHub website under Profile, Settings, SSH and GPG keys, and we're gonna select the option Add New SSH Key. You're gonna paste it here and you can choose any title you want, something simple like my computer or whatever. Now we are going to clone the NumCosmo repository here in our terminal. So please press CD first to make sure that we are on the home, and then paste it this command here and type yes. You can see now that if we type ls, it's showing that we have the NumCosmo file. We're gonna go inside it, so press cd NumCosmo. Now we're gonna create a new directory where we are going to build the library called build, so mkdir build. And first we need to generate some files with this command here. No configure yes /autogen.sh. Now we're gonna go inside the directory build and run this command /configure. If you type /configure --help, there are some options here. So for example, for those who have a different version of this package here, HD5, perhaps the configure option will lead to a problem, so you can use this option here to disable this package, and you can also check for other options if you are getting some warnings when you are configuring the library. But for now, you can just type /configure and run. Now we're gonna type make -j8 to compile all the files from the library. I'm gonna fast forward since this is gonna take some time. Now that we have compiled all the files, we are going to install the library. Please do not forget to use the sudo command for this part. So sudo make install. And now we have installed the library, but first we need to export some paths to use the library. So please copy and paste all these comments here. And then close your terminal and open a new one so the bash file is read again. Now we're gonna go under NumCosmo examples and we are going to test if the library is working. We're gonna first test a C file here with this comment. You can see that when we compile the file, nothing happens. This is the right thing to expect. And then we're gonna run the file and we get the result, which are these parameters here. So the C example is properly working. Now we're gonna try the Python example here with this line. And again, you can see that the Python example is properly working.